How to control PC with Xbox controller. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to control your PC using an Xbox controller. Perfect for gaming, media control, or even casual navigation from your couch. Let's get started. Step 1. Connect your Xbox controller. Option A. Wire the connection. Plug the USB cable from your Xbox controller into your PC. Windows will automatically install the necessary drivers. Option B. Wireless with Xbox adapter. Plug the Xbox wireless adapter into a USB port. Hold the sync button on the adapter until it starts flashing. Then, press and hold the sync button on your controller. Once both lights are steady, you're connected. Option C. Bluetooth for modern controllers. Go to Settings, Devices, and Bluetooth on your PC. Press and hold the controller sync button until the Xbox logo flashes. Click on Add a Bluetooth device and choose Xbox wireless controller. Step 2. Turn the controller into a mouse and keyboard. Method 1. Go for 360. Free and lightweight. Go to GitHub, Go to GitHub and download and run the Gopher.exe file. Now, you can move the mouse and use the right stick, click with Start More A or Start More B, use the D-pad to type letters. Method 2. Steam Big Picture Mode. Open Steam and go to Settings, Controller, and General Controlling Settings. Enable Xbox configuration support. Enter Big Picture Mode to navigate everything using your controller. Tips. Gopher 360 doesn't need installation, just run and go. You can add your to setup folder for auto launch. And that's it. Now you know how to control your PC with your Xbox controller, whether it's for gaming, streaming, or just relaxing away from your desk. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.